How to enable or disable Auto Protect Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, in here, you want to scroll down and then tap on more security settings. Then tap on secure Wi-Fi. After that, go down, then tap on Auto Protect Wi-Fi. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn it on, tap on the I agree button, then tap on allow. And that is how you can turn on or turn off Auto Protect Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.